checks the recipe book. Pipi gives a happy look.
Let's make a pie so warm and sweet. They grab their tools and wash their feet. Bubu peels the apples slow, slices them and lines them in a row.
Pipi stirs the sugar and spice.
Smells like pie, oh, it's so nice. They mix, they smile, they bake with glee, and sing the alphabet A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. They roll the dough and shape it round, pinch the edges all around. Into the oven it goes with care. They wait and sniff the yummy air.
Ding, the pie is hot and done. They slice a piece for everyone.
With happy hearts and spoons in hand, they say this pie